Okay guys, I'm going to show you my filthy dirty stove. I have not cleaned my stove for at least 4 or 5 days. I know that that's gross and nasty, but it is life. Some of us work and we work a lot, and sometimes we just don't have time to take care of our house. So I want to show you how I clean my stove. I use the Enviro cloth, cold water. I use my window cloth, dry. And this is a Sperry sponge that I've been using for probably almost 8-9 months now. It gets kind of grody, but you know, it still works. And this is sold by Norwex also. And it has backlock in it, so I'm pretty sure it has backlock. It doesn't have a smell, so I'm pretty sure it does, but I'll check that. Okay, what I do is I start at the top and I just start wiping. And I don't know if y'all can see, I don't know if I can get the camera to go that way, how nasty and greasy this is. And I really need to wipe up here too, guys. So we're just gonna do it all. And I'm gonna wipe the stuff before I put it back. As you can see, I use a lot of spices in my life because I just need that. Does anybody else have this many spices on the back of their stove, or is it just me? I sometimes think I'm a little... I use a little bit too many spices, but it is what it is. Alright, so we're just wiping this down. And then I just wipe the top of all my grates off before I set them to the side. And this is going to be really gross, guys. I apologize. This is nasty. But it is what it is. How many of you all let your stove get this dirty? Or am I just disgusting and I'm the only person that does this? Alright, so I'm going to fold this up and I'm just going to drag it through here and bring all the crumbs towards the front. Like this. I'm sorry you can't see me, but oh well. I just want to let you all see this nastiness. Okay, so I'm just going to grab it up like this in my cloth. We'll run over to the sink. I'm going to rinse all that. All those food particles that were dropped down in there from cooking. And I'm going to wipe it one more time. I got a couple things that are like baked on here, cooked on. And that's what I'm going to use my Sperry sponge for once I get all the rest of this cleaned up. Okay. So I got my Sperry sponge. There's a couple spots here. I'm just going to hit it really quickly. I gotta tell you about my wonderful husband. He fries eggs every morning. We have chickens and he fries eggs every morning for breakfast. And he fries 2 for the dog. She has eggs every morning. And she come in the other day and I had forgot to go out and pick up eggs. And she was mad. She was like staring at Jerry like, what are you doing? You forgot to feed me. Alright, so one more wipe before I scrub and then I'll be ready to dry this puppy. And you all remember, I'm not using any cleaners. I'm not putting anything on here. No harsh chemicals, just water. That's the difference in mechanical cleaning and chemical cleaning. Chemical cleaning uses a whole lot of chemicals. And you don't want to do that. Chemicals are bad, people. I mean, really. If you haven't figured out where cancer is coming from, you need to start doing some reading. And that's the truth. Did you know that there are 85,000 chemicals used in the United States to make products? How many of them have been tested? Not many. Out of 85,000, I think it's like less than 500 that have been tested to see what they do to our bodies, which is bad. All right, so I'm gonna grab my window cloth, and I'm just gonna shine everything up. Like so. And I'm going to start dropping everything back together. I always have trouble with this because I always do it backwards. Is anybody else a noisy cleaner, or is it just me? I'm super noisy.